Welcome to ScreenShorts, the channel that make tech easy with quick and simple tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to find Facebook user location. Let's start the process. Open your Facebook app. Tap on the search bar icon which is at the right top. Now type here the name of that person, like I am typing the random one. After writing the name, tap on the search bar icon which is at the right bottom. Now you will see the option all videos post people. Tap on the option people. Here you need to do only one thing. Tap on this icon which is at the right top. Now tap on the first option city. You can also write your city from which you want to search your people. But for now I am choosing this location, London, United Kingdom. After choosing the location, tap on the option show result. So as you see, these are the people from London, United Kingdom. So by this way you can find the location of every Facebook user. Join the Screenshot squad and never miss out on easy to follow tech tutorial again. Hit the subscribe button.